Hello learners, welcome to Anuj's Brainwaves. Today we will explore the word bibliophile. Let's begin.
Definition of bibliophile. A person who loves or collects books, especially those that are rare, unique, or of significant literary or historical value. Repeat bibliophile 12 times with me. Bibliophile. 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 Example sentences using bibliophile. 1. As a true bibliophile, she spent every weekend browsing secondhand bookstores. 2. The library's rare collection attracted bibliophiles from around the world. 3. The library's rare collection attracted bibliophiles from around the world. 4. His dream of opening a bookstore came true, a haven for fellow bibliophiles. 5. The bibliophile's home was filled with shelves overflowing with antique books. 6. As a bibliophile, he valued the stories and histories books carried beyond their words. 7. The bibliophile eagerly awaited the annual literary festival in the city. 8. She identified as a bibliophile when she realized her happiest moments were spent reading. 9. Joining a bibliophile club introduced him to rare and fascinating works of literature. 10. Bibliophiles often view books not just as objects, but as treasures to be cherished. Synonyms for bibliophile: book lover, book collector, literature enthusiast, bibliomaniac, intense collector of books, bookworm. Antonyms for bibliophile: bibliophobe, illiterate, non-reader, technophile, audiophile. That wraps up today's lesson on the word bibliophile. We hope you've gained a better understanding of its meaning, uses, synonyms, and antonyms, as well as improved your pronunciation. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Anuj's Brainwaves for more vocabulary lessons, grammar tips, and pronunciation guides. Please like, share, and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future topics. Your engagement helps us reach more learners like you. If you'd like to support our work and help us create more content, you can make a donation by scanning the QR code on your screen. Every bit of support helps us continue our mission of providing free, high-quality English learning resources to everyone. Thanks for being part of our learning community.